Fastbrick have a solution to the increasing demand on the building industry in Australia and beyond, with the development of an automated bricklaying system called the Hadrian X.
Our innovation is a machine and system that is able to take a 3D model of a structure, allow us to load the machine with pallets of bricks, and the machine knows if the brick needs to be cut, routed, milled or bored, and all of that work is done by the machine, and the end product, the brick, is transported over a 30-metre boom and laid with precision, just the way a 3D printer would build a structure out of plastic or metals. Except our additive material in this case is masonry products.
The Hadrian X has an innovative boom guidance and compensation system that understands vibration, wind movement and the inertia on the boom when releasing a brick. The Hadrian X will place the brick in exactly the right position 100% of the time, regardless of the movement of the boom or exterior conditions.
So we can do things in around about 1/20th of the time. We can increase accuracy by 20 times manual methods. And we wanted to take the manual and heavy lifting and the repetitious type of work away from people.
The Hadrian X uses modern construction adhesives instead of mortar, which increases the strength of the structure 4 to 5 times, increases the thermal and acoustic efficiencies of the home by up to 70%, and decreases the build time as there are no delays in waiting for the mortar to set. By building with high levels of accuracy, Fastbrick are also able to assist in other areas of the build, allowing other components of the home to be constructed in parallel, while still ensuring a perfect end fit.
We could actually end up with a bigger home for less money and producing less waste when you're building in the 3D environment.